So here we have a young little fly, Agaric. It's one of the Amanita species. The Amanitas as a group contain some of the most toxic mushrooms that we have. Technically, fly agaric can be processed to be made edible, but it's certainly not something that I recommend for beginners and not something that I try myself. So you see on the top of them, when this mushroom emerges, it's covered in something called a veil. And as it emerges from the veil, that it breaks away, and that's what leaves these little warty bits on the cap. So the fly agaric is one that a lot of people recognize. It's a big yellow-topped, sometimes red or orange-topped mushroom with little warts on the cap, white gills underneath. And we'll take a look at some of the more mature specimens, and I'll show you some of the other features to look for. The most common ones that we have here have these kind of yellowy tops, often with those warts on them, not always. Underneath, they have white gills, and if you look very closely at them, the gills are not attached to the stem. They're called free gills. And on the upper part of the stem, you can also see a little bit of a skirt that's a remnant of a partial veil. So when this mushroom emerged from the ground, it had some tissue covering those gills, and as the gills expand, the tissue breaks away and leaves a little skirt on the ring. So some of the characteristics to look for the fly agaric.